respected teachers, parents, and my dear lovely students. 15th August is a very important day for all citizens of India. We are all really proud and Indian. Today, as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day, may I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. 15th August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. We know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. On this wonderful day, it's important that we should remember each one of them. Let's remember Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, who fought against the British with the weapon of truth and non-violence. Let's also remember Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, and all other freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the cause of our country. 15th August is not only about freedom. It reminds us of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifices. As proud citizens of India, it's our responsibility to sincerely perform all our duties and progress towards the development of our country. India is achieving day by day new achievements. India has made remarkable progress in the fields of agriculture, defense, space, and all other technology. Let's gratefully remember all those who work for the overall development of our motherland. Let's also remember all our soldiers who safeguard. Dear friends, during this pandemic situation of COVID-19, when our country is in a difficult situation, let's take an oath that we will be always with our motherland. On this memorable day, let's pray for our mother country. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Good morning, dear students, teachers, parents, and well-wishers. Today is the historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British. Freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and many others devoted their entire life for freedom of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. Today, we are living in a free India because of their sacrifice. Flag represents different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and charity. Dear ones, we all know that no one is perfect. So our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty, progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not when our country will be strong in every field. Thank you. Jai Bharat Mata.
Oh, wonderful, loud. Thank you. My name is Sada Maimanaba, class 3rd standard. Good morning, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and my dear friend. India celebrates Independence Day on 15 August every year. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag.
Bhagat Singh is a revolutionary hero of the Indian independence. Bhagat Singh was an expert in reading, writing, Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi and Gurumukhi. At a very early age, Bhagat Singh evaded marriage by saying that he won't let him serve his motherland. He was died in 1931 for murdering a British police officer John Stanton. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಯನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ ಮೋಡ ಮೈ ಚುಚ್ಚುತ್ತದೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಬೇಯುತ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೆಂಟರೆ ದಾಯಾದಿಗರೇ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇನು ಉತ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿತ್ತೀರಾ ನೀರಾಕಿ ನಾಟಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಎದುರು ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳುವರ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಸಿಹಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕೆಂಪು ಮುಖದ ಕೋತಿಗಳೇ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ವೀರ ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರುಂಡವನ್ನು ಚಂಡಾಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮನಯ್ಯ ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹದೇವ್.
ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಬೇಕೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಬೇಕು ತೀರ್ಥ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ.
इनकिलाब जिंदाबाद इंकिलाब जिंदाबाद इंकिलाब जिंदाबाद बोलो भारत माता की जय बोलो भारत माता की जय.
ಶ್ರೀಶ್ರೀಗೆ ಸಿಂಹ ಸ್ವಪ್ನರಾಗಿದ್ದರು.
ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು I am the first prime minister of
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುದ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆದೆ ಹಾಡದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.